is the truck here?
Truck.
What's gonna go in that truck?
Boxes.
Whose boxes?
Yeah, those boxes. Whoa.
Here it comes.
Here it comes.
You gotta watch the truck backing up. Oh, it's a big truck, huh?
Now you go in their house.
I have you nice and safe, okay? I have you good and safe. It's our moving truck.
Oh, go back and forward.
And back and
Man, I thought
forth.
backing the church trailer up was hard.
Go bye-bye. This truck is going bye-bye, Mommy.
She's coming back, baby girl.
Yeah. Are you going to your house?
You want us to go into our
Abby, do you
house?
see it? Watch it. There it comes.
Yeah.
It's coming back.
It's okay. It's just backing up so we can put stuff in it, okay?
Oh, wow. It's a big one.
That's good.
Yeah.
It's a big truck, huh?
Yeah, big. The man put boxes in it.
We're gonna, where are we moving?
California.
Yeah.
And I need the swimming pool.
Are you gonna have a swimming
It's
pool
a
at your new
dam,
house?
Mommy.
Yeah.
It's a dam.
Yep. Are you gonna have a swimming pool at your house?
Yep.
Are you gonna have a new bedroom?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I have a new potty.
A new potty?
Yeah.
You're right.
Our truck
Yeah, that's perfect. Thanks.
stopped.
It stopped, yeah. And let me ask you, are you going to learn how to go potty on your new potty? Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, that wouldn't be good.
Right? The clean truck.
Look, they're opening the truck.
They're opening the truck. My dad did it.
Mm-hmm.
He just pulled it, Mommy. He just pulled it, Mommy.
Yeah, showing Uncle Andy and Daddy how to use the ramp.
He was around, Mommy.
Yeah.
He got off of the ramp.
Big truck. And Abby's dresser's gonna go in there. And your bed. And what else? And the TV.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it and wrap it in the truck.
And Zachary's crib.
Yeah, and I watch my movie in the truck.
I don't know if we're gonna watch a movie in the truck. Actually, we should probably go inside. It's kind of cold, huh?
Yeah. Oh, I need the jacket.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
we'll just go inside, okay?
Yeah.
You say bye-bye, truck?
Bye-bye, truck.
Say we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, truck.